Hi everyone, it's Marva Riley. I'm at the gym today, getting some exercise in. I don't have a gym at my home, but I'm visiting with my son, and they have a gym in their community. So I'm making use of it. But sometimes I wake up in the morning and I feel very stiff around the waist. I was having a little bit of sciatic pain in the butt area. That's much better, but I oftentimes wake up with some stiffness around the waist. And just like any other joint or hinge, you gotta grease those joints. You gotta move them to keep them supple and pain-free and easy to move. So before I even get up in the mornings, I do some exercises in the bed, some stretching in the bed, and that helps a lot. But also before I start exercising, whether I'm gonna be walking when I'm at home or walking wherever I am, or now that I'm in the gym for the next 3 weeks, you can do some simple stretches while you are throughout the day. Even if you're at work, in the office, you can do some stretching. You know, you can move the arm and stretch the shoulder blade. You can do things like that. You know, that will loosen up the shoulder and the back. Things like this. Doesn't take anything special really to do these simple exercises. You can move the waistline like that. You can do that, things like that. It'll loosen up the waist. Things like that you can do. One that helps me a lot with this, sometimes my thigh muscles get really, really tight. And one thing that helps me is you just hold on to something, grab the foot, and just pull. And that stretches this muscle here and helps to loosen things up. And a lot of times when you're having sciatic pain and lower back pain, it's because this muscle is stiff. So just stretch, count of 10, and then you switch. Sometimes you see runners do that stretching. It's very important. When it gets tight, you could end up with back pain and even pain in your butt. You can bend and just hang out there like that. Just hang out. Go as far as you can. Go back up. Go back again as far as you can. Don't force it. Just relax, chill out there. Yeah. If you have to bend your knee a little bit, you bend your knee a little bit. I find that I get the most stretch when I don't bend my knee. But the thing is that after you've done about 3 or 4, you're gonna find that the waist is gonna loosen up and you'll be able to reach even farther. Okay, so stretching is important. If you don't stretch those muscles and joints and loosen them up and move them, they become very stiff and very sore. Before you know it, you can hardly move. I experienced that, so I know what I'm talking about. But I find that now, if I decidedly move my joints and do some stretches, I have a lot less soreness in my joints and my muscles. And also, hydrating is crucial. A lot of times when you're having joint pain, muscle pain, joint stiffness, muscle stiffness, it's because you're dehydrated. Yeah, water is medicine. So now, before I got here this morning, I wasn't able to actually touch the floor, but now I am touching the floor, touching my toes, because I spent a few minutes doing some stretches and moving the joints. Now I'm ready to get on the treadmill and the elliptical and do about half an hour of cardio before I get to some weights. All right, take care of yourself. Happy Monday. Reset, refocus, and restart. Sometimes it's very difficult to welcome Mondays, especially if you're going to a job you don't like, a job that is stressful. So Mondays are a great day to reset, refocus, and restart. Okay? Take care and don't beat up on yourself. Just do the best you can. The cares of life can weigh us down, but every moment, every day is a gift from the Almighty God. So keep that reminder in your mind and your head. All right? God bless and take care now. This is Marva Riley.